Hello YouTube. I'm doing an unboxing of my Circuit Maker, which my other Circuit Maker messed up. So they sent me this in 5 days. That's pretty quick. So I had a champagne color one. This one say Circuit Maker blue refurnished. So it's not a new one, but as long as it's working, I'm good with it because I had the other one about a year. So let me see, is it really blue? Go around here. I did cover my address. Can show you my address. Let me unbox it. Okay. All right. I think I turned my camera this way, probably a little better. It's kind of wide. Going to take this box out. Okay, there we go. All right. So this is the color it's gonna be, I guess. I really like my champagne color better, but can't complain as long as it do the work. Let me see. All right. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, material for your first project. Okay, they gave me a cutter. Okay. That's the fabric cutter right there. And got the plug. Got the cap, which you cover that up so you won't cut your hand on anything. Got a marker. And the warranty book. Let's see. All right, put that to the side. All right, take these out. What's in here? Hold on. I think it's something in here. No, ain't nothing in there. Take that out. See, I can get this with one hand. Oh man. Okay. Got the main plug. Let's see what else in here. Oh, I got some free mats. Okay. All right. I need some more mats. I got the, okay, this is the fabric mat, but you cut your fabrics on, of course. And this is the light grip mat, which come with the Circuit Maker, basically. All right. Open my machine up. This aside. Take the sticker off. Okay, ain't that bad. No, which is, let me take this computer at the top. This is the color I had before. But, I can rock with this. Let me take this out. Y'all gotta excuse me with this camera. I should have had a tripod doing this, but oh well. Okay. Take this sticker off. Okay. There we go. Open up slowly. All right. Okay. Take this phone off. And it comes with this basic blade. Now, Gotta see it's gonna work. This the mat I use to press my shirt on. You can get that at Walmart for like $20. You know, I'm cheap, so hey, it works. And plus, you know, it's soft. We don't need no creases and stuff like that. You don't need no pads to put on your shirts, whatever. You can just use this right here. You know, you can even cut it on it in the back. It's $20. Okay, this is the design I cut out. And it came out pretty good. And this is the excess from it. But I'm gonna keep this. I always keep this one. If you wait till the end of the video, you'll see why. All right. Oops, that's a piece right there. Put it right there. Now, I got my machine set. Clean that out. I got my machine set at 320 for 8 seconds. But you really need to press for 15, but I'll show you what I do, why I do it like this. All right. Never did this with the camera before. Let me try. Let's see. I got everything lined up. Make sure, okay, before you press it, make sure you press it to get the moisture out the shirt, which I already did. So now, get this lined up. All right. Hit that. Put a little pressure. Okay. Now, I don't take the plastic off, and I'll show you why. Okay. I flipped the shirt inside out. You probably can see the outline a little bit right here. Now, I'm finna press it again, because the reason why I'm going to do this, because the adhesion is at the bottom. So I turn it inside out, so it'd be right to the fabric to that. And you don't have to press it so long one time. All right, let me get it right. Let me see. I think I got it. Okay, 8 seconds. All right. Now I have to flip it back over and take the plastic off. This is why I keep it. Look at that. Bama made tough. Nice, ain't it? Thank y'all for watching.